Welcome back to Bike Hub, the home of motorcycle lovers. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes of the year, the all-new 2026 Honda CRF 750L. Honda has finally built the mid-size dual sport we've all been waiting for, and it's ready to take on Yamaha's Ténéré 700 and KTM's 790 adventure. Let's get into the details. Design and build. The 2026 CRF 750L carries Honda's iconic rally DNA, sharp lines, tall stance, and that aggressive red and white paint scheme. It looks like it's straight out of the Dakar Rally. Honda's used a new lightweight frame with improved rigidity, keeping the overall weight around 205 kilograms, making it ideal for both trail and tarmac. Cut to visuals. Close-ups of LED headlight, digital dash, and aluminum swingarm. Engine and performance. Powering this beast is Honda's brand new 755cc parallel twin engine, the same platform seen in the Transalp 750 but tuned for more low-end torque. It pumps out around 90 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque, giving you a perfect balance between power and control. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and optional DCT automatic transmission, this bike is built for both beginners and adventure pros. Cut to footage of bike accelerating on trails, engine sound emphasized. Technology and features. Honda didn't stop at power. The CRF 750L packs a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth, navigation, and customizable ride modes, touring, gravel, and off-road. You also get traction control, ABS with off-road mode, and ride-by-wire throttle. Plus, the Showa suspension offers long travel for rough terrains, giving you total confidence wherever you ride. Cut to visuals. Rider switching modes, close-ups of dashboard. Comfort and ride feel. Seat height comes in at 870 mm, perfect for serious off-roaders. The wide handlebar, slim tank design, and upright seating make it super comfortable for long-distance rides. Whether you're cruising highways or conquering dirt tracks, the CRF 750L gives that adventure freedom Honda riders love. Cut to rider standing on pegs over rocky terrain, cinematic slow-mo. Price and verdict. Expected to launch in early 2026, the CRF 750L is rumored to start around $10,999 USD. It's Honda's answer to middleweight adventure domination, reliable, powerful, and adventure-ready. If you've been waiting for the perfect mix of the Africa Twins DNA and CRF ruggedness, this is it. Outro. So, what do you think about the new Honda CRF 750L? Is it your next adventure bike? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more bike updates, only on Bike Hub. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.